So I got the X-Link, X-Car-Link, and when it's hooked up via the iPod cord, you get that noise. Touch the screen, it gets worse. Lock it, the noise changes. If you play it through the auxiliary in instead of the iPod cord, it works fine. No noise like that whatsoever. It's silent. But plug it in there, and you get that noise. Anytime the song is quiet or in between songs, you hear that noise, and it's really annoying. Hopefully it's just because they've sent me the wrong model. I requested the iPhone one. They got a list that shows different iPod, iPhone when you're ordering the thing. So hopefully they grabbed the wrong one off the shelf. If they all do that, then what's the point?